Wonderful setting with mountains and hillside views. Nicely remodeled and waiting for you to express yourself in the final touches that will make it perfect. Large updated kitchen with lots of hickory cabinets and storage. Breakfast bar. Designer tiled backsplash and floor. Vaulted ceilings. Open floor plan accented with wood beams perfect the chef or no special gatherings. Designer tiled patio. Finished 2-car garage with carport. Chicken house with fenced yard. Hand-built terraced river rock wall. Large fenced garden that gets lots of sun. Covered wood shed. Conveniently located to Winthrop.